Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a shrimps and plantain. So this is my shrimps. I already seasoned my shrimps. I just seasoned very simple with my chicken season and black pepper. And this is 1 big onions. And this is the season. I always tell you guys about this season. It's a Goya season. Very good. They call it sasam. Sasam is very good. If you don't want to add like any kind of tomato to your food, you can add this like a tomato. It will taste so good and will give you that red taste to it. I mean that red flavor to it. Like it's very good. I love it. And it's a good season too. It tastes very well too to inside. Like any kind of food you cook and you put a sasam to it, it will taste good. And this is my plantain. I got 4 plantain. I'm going to fry the plantain. I just add some little bit of cooking oil. So let's start cooking. And I'm going to need 1 Maggi, okay? So I'm going to put my stove on. And to make sure the pot is hot. And after I'm going to add the onions to it. And with the sazon, okay? Okay, the pot is hot. So it's time to add the onions to it. So I'm gonna mix it. And I'm gonna add the 2 pack of the sesame. Then I'm gonna, you know what, let me add some seasoning to it first before adding the sesame. You're gonna season very light because you already seasoned the shrimps already. So I'm gonna add those 2 packs to it with the black pepper. Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. I'm gonna mix them. Okay, I just add this sesame to it. So I'm gonna mix it before the onions to burn, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to it. That's the water. And I'm going to add the water to it because you want the onions to cook, okay? Like you see what I was talking about, the sazon? I just add the sazon. It looked like if I add the tomato, and I did not add no tomato to it, just the sazon. Sazon is that good. Like when you put sazon on food, it would look like you put a tomato to it and you did not add no tomato. I'm going to taste it. If it tastes good, I'm going to add the 1 Maggi. If I don't like the taste, I'm going to add 1 Maggi to it and make sure it's nice and fried, done, before adding the shrimps to it. This is a very simple dish, but it tastes very good. You don't want to add the shrimps fast because shrimps will cook so fast and your shrimps going to be dry. So I suggest to make sure your onions is well done, and after you're going to put the shrimps to it because you don't want your shrimps to overcook. Okay, so I'm going to try the sauce, and after I'm going to add my shrimps to it, okay? You see the onions is already fried already, like the way I want it. It smells so good. If you want, you can add garlic to it too, because I did not have no garlic today. You can add garlic. Garlic would make it smell so good, okay? So it's time to add my shrimps to it. And I'm going to mix it. One thing about shrimps, when you're cooking the shrimps, when you see the shrimps is getting red, that means the shrimps is ready. Because you don't want to overcook your shrimps. Shrimps is one food, when you overcook it will taste so dry in your mouth. Because you want your shrimps to be nice and juicy, okay? So right now, so I'm gonna just put them together and just let them cook. Alright, now so this is the shrimps. Like the way I was saying, when the shrimps is nice and red like this, it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna put the heat down very low, because I don't want my shrimps to overcook. Or if you even want to, you can even turn it up like this. Okay, because the shrimps is ready. So I'm gonna fry the plantain. So what I'm gonna do, like if you fry plantain, you're gonna eat this with the plantain. It tastes very good. Alright, my shrimps is done, and I'm gonna fry down. I'm gonna fry the plantain now. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned. Let's fry down plantain. Fry the plantain. I already cut the plantain and seasoned it with that same chicken season. I just add a little bit of chicken season to it to give a flavor to my plantain. And this is the oil. The oil is hot already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my plantain to it. Start frying the plantain. You're gonna fry the plantain till the plantain is nice and golden. Okay. That's the only thing you need to do. When you see the plantain is nice and golden, that means it's ready. So this is the rest of it, and I'm gonna fry those first when it's nice and goldy. And that was my shrimps. Well done. Very tasty. And after, I'm gonna fry these and put some of this on the plate and put some plantain in the plate. It will taste so yum yum yum. Okay, so this is the final product. This is how our plantain is supposed to look like when it's fried. And you make sure you always put like a paper towel under like a plate in anything you want to put it. You want to make sure, because you want the excess oil to be drained. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's a little bit burnt out, a little bit, but like a little bit in the darker side. So that's still good. So you can eat it. And I'm gonna add the rest of it to fry. So the rest is gonna be nice and golden like this. I cooked 2 food today, but I made a 2 separate video. If you wanna know how to make this, and you can go to my YouTube, and I made it 2 videos separate. Alright, and love you guys so much. And this is the rest of it. So thank you very much for watching our cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna post. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye bye.